Question: ever wondered if you can get a cashier's check from Ally Bank? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out today. Hook: imagine this scenario. You're buying a big-ticket item, like a car or a house. You need a secure payment method that's as good as cash. Enter the cashier's check. It's a guaranteed payment, backed by the issuing bank. But can you get one from Ally? Let's dive in and find out. What is a cashier's check? Before we get into Ally, let's quickly recap what a cashier's check is. It's a type of check issued by a bank, drawn on the bank's own funds. When you purchase a cashier's check, you're essentially paying the bank to guarantee the payment. It's a reliable and secure way to make a significant payment. Ally Bank, a quick overview. If you're not familiar with Ally Bank, it's a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates. But can they also provide you with a cashier's check? Let's find out. Can you get a cashier's check from Ally? The short answer is yes, you can get a cashier's check from Ally Bank. However, there are a few things you need to know. In-branch service: while Ally is primarily an online bank, they do have a limited number of branches. If you live near one, you can visit in person to request a cashier's check. Online request: if there's no Ally branch near you, you can still get a cashier's check. Ally offers an online service where you can request a check to be mailed to you. Fees: be aware that there might be a fee associated with getting a cashier's check from Ally. The exact fee can vary, so it's best to check with the bank directly before requesting the check. How to get a cashier's check from Ally? If you decide to visit an Ally branch, the process is fairly straightforward. Visit a branch, locate your nearest Ally branch and visit during their business hours. Request a cashier's check, inform the teller that you'd like to purchase a cashier's check. Provide payment. Pay for the check using your Ally account or another form of payment accepted by the bank. Receive your check. Once the payment is processed, you will receive your cashier's check. If you prefer to request a cashier's check online, the process is similar. Log into your account, access your Ally online banking account. Locate the cashier's check service, look for a feature or option related to cashier's checks. Request a check. Follow the on-screen instructions to request a check. Provide payment information. Indicate how you'd like to pay for the check, e.g., using your Ally account balance. Wait for delivery. Ally will mail the cashier's check to your registered address. Tips for getting a cashier's check from Ally. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when requesting a cashier's check from Ally. Check fees. Before requesting a check, inquire about any associated fees. Plan ahead. If you need a cashier's check for a specific date, plan accordingly to allow for processing time. Have your payment ready. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Ally account or another payment method ready to cover the cost of the check. Double-check details. Carefully review the check details before accepting it to ensure everything is correct. Alternatives to Ally for cashier's checks. While Ally offers a convenient way to get a cashier's check, it's not the only option. You can also consider other banks, credit unions, or even check cashing services. However, keep in mind that fees and terms may vary. Conclusion. So, can you get a cashier's check from Ally? Yes, you can. Whether you prefer to visit a branch or request online, Ally provides a convenient option for obtaining a cashier's check. Just remember to check fees, plan ahead, and have your payment ready. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.